Okay, so we're in the garden here today, and I've got my Brussels sprouts, my broccoli, my cabbage, and my pak choi here. And the trouble is, all of the plants in this family get attacked by butterflies who nest in them and eat them and literally can destroy your stuff overnight. You can have beautiful cabbage one day and the next day it's ruined. So last year what I did is I had some curtains that I put over them, and it worked. They were sheer curtains and that worked. It was a little clumsy though. I didn't like it too much. So I wanted to try something different this year, and that's what I'm going to show you now. So I was able to get a replacement screen for a 10 by 10 screen house for only $11. It was a great deal, so I bought it. The only trouble is it was only the screen, not a frame, not a roof, nothing. So I had to figure out how I wanted to do this. So I'm going to show you right now. Okay, we're inside now, and I just cut up some 2x4 into 2x2s and put those in the ground for corners, and then brace them with other little pieces of 2x2, as you see there and there. Same thing across the top. Of course, the netting has these little loops, so I use those and hook them on, and use some zip ties for that. Worked pretty good. And then I had to figure out what to do for the top, and I got this mesh netting, which is for the purpose of covering plants, and I put that on the top. As you can see, there's just a couple of, I got 3 cross braces, and it sits across the top there. It hangs a little bit loose between each one because we get a lot of wind here, and I hope it stays on. We'll find out, I guess. But yeah, I put that on with some really strong tape. You're probably gonna laugh and say, tape? Yeah, well, it's sheathing tape, and it's used in construction, and it's really sticky, and hopefully it works. So we'll see. And I just wanted to show you that. So now I've actually got a space that is protecting the plants that I can actually stand up in and walk around in. So it's hopefully going to be a lot more convenient. Anyway, just wanted to show that to you, and see you again next time. You know, liking and subscribing really helps a small channel, so thank you so much.